Good afternoon. This is Brent Crandall with the Blind Depot. So I'm sitting in Dallas, and I'm underneath this awesome covered space. We've got a barbecue grill over here. We've got seating area for a lot of people right here. We got a place to watch the afternoon football game right here. And right now we're shaded by these exterior screens from Corradi. I'm going to go ahead and raise these up here really quick so you can see exactly why we're shaded with these exterior screens. And this gets a little bit loud if all 5 motors are running at the same time. This is a Phifer Suntex 95 material. So we wanted to block out maximum sun. This is west facing right here, and right now it's not horrible. Homeowners just finally added all of the shades. We started with just the barbecue grill right here because they wanted some shade while they were grilling. This offers a little bit of bug control. We didn't add any motorized tracks or track systems or anything like that. So, but when they're all the way up, the Somfy motors take them exactly where we want them to go. We use Corradi because of these colors. The brown color that they have matches the underneath of this structure really well. And if we actually go around to the other side, they have a tan color as well. On that tan color is a spitting image for the top. So this particular system works really well for our application here. So if you want us to do this for your home, you can give us a call at 972-644-9411. You can also reach us at blinddepotdfw.com. And if you don't know what the DFW stands for, you are probably not in our service area. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great afternoon.